Should I buy Churchill Capital-Lucid Motors stock? You must have heard that Churchill Capital is trying to take Lucid Motors public. Churchill Capital is a SPAC, special acquisition vehicle, and Lucid Motors is obviously a maker of luxury brands. And the good thing about Lucid Motors is that Lucid Motors, the CEO of Lucid Motors worked in Tesla, and they have the cars already there. They are taking pre-orders, $7,500 as deposits, and they're delivering this year, the second quarter of this year, 2021. So the answer is straight away obvious. It's a yes. So there isn't much going on technically for Lucid Motors. You can see Churchill Capital, it has a market cap of $4.5 billion, and it seems the institutions are very much interested in Lucid Motors. So through Churchill Capital, they've already taken in 28% of Churchill Capital, and then 258.75 million shares are outstanding. Very not so much. We've seen figures higher than that, but even at that, it's still very high. So it's quite recent. As at this stock came public on the 18th of September 2020. So it doesn't have a long-term trend at the moment. So down here we can see the momentum for Churchill Capital is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is above 80, the level which many analysts call overbought. This means that investors have been actively purchasing shares and driving the price higher. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. You can see there are pieces of news here and there for Churchill Capital and Lucid Motors. At the same time, we also have to point out that this merger has not actually been confirmed based on what we've been gathering here and there. So let's believe that this will be officially stamped official. That Churchill Capital will obviously or ultimately take Lucid Motors public. So easily the stock is a buy. In as much as it's been skyrocketing since when. No, it hasn't pulled back. It hasn't cooled off since. What would that be? Since it looks like it looks like just one day. Since the 8th of January 2021, which is roughly 7 days ago. It has just had this is probably going to the 7th or 8th non-stop session of relentless gains. So this stock is really hot. So it's obviously a buy. It's a long-term stock. The stock that will definitely do well easily. You've seen what has happened elsewhere. And this stock is not a development stage stock as such. It's a mix of both. The company or Lucid Motors is already making vehicles. They're taking in revenue. The cars are ready. So how do you do this? Just like I've been saying of late. Don't put in every amount of money you have slated for this. Just put an amount of money. Right now it's going up. And then watch things as it goes. In as much as this stock is definitely it's a piece of cake, but never say never. It is also when you get carried away and when you definitely know that this would do well, that is also when you're likely to things can just come out of the blues and disappoint you. So don't put everything you have into this. Just put some amount into it and keep observing and watching. There'll be opportunities for you to even jump in with the rest of the resources or rest of the cash you have left for it. So easily Lucid Motors Churchill Capital is a buy. But the question is, should I buy now that it is hot? Yes, I would say just a small amount of money and wait and observe. There might be a better time to even buy more. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you're new, subscribe, like, and share. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for watching.